Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Root and Recipes. In today's video, we're diving into the rich food traditions of the Bambara and Mandinka people, exploring how they prepare their legendary groundnut soup. We'll walk through the preparation step by step, list out the core ingredients, and also uncover the powerful health benefits hidden in this sacred dish. So, stay with me as we bring both culture and taste alive in one pot. Let's go. Long ago, among the Bambara and Mandinka people of West Africa, groundnut soup was more than just food, it was a meal of strength, shared in families and offered to guests as a symbol of love. The dish begins with a simple yet powerful base: ground peanut, dry fish, komo, seasonings cubes, meat. Fresh oil is often added, giving it richness, while leafy vegetables bring balance. Slowly, the soup thickens, filling the air with an aroma that feels like home. Each ingredient has its story. Groundnuts, brought centuries ago into West Africa, became a staple of survival and trade. They are rich in protein, giving energy to farmers, warriors, and families alike. Red oil energized and healed the body, while green leaves nourish the blood and strengthen the body. This dish crosses borders. From villages in Mali and Guinea to kitchens in Nigeria, Ghana, and even the African diaspora in the US and UK, cooked groundnut soup continues to feed generations, keeping culture alive in every spoonful. And when you taste this soup, you're tasting centuries of tradition, resilience, and love. That is the magic of the Bambara and Mandinka groundnut soup. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. How black soup is prepared? Please subscribe.